Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error code 30x80040154 that you were experiencing in Google Chrome. That an error occurred while checking for update check failed to start, and then it's a system level error. I recommend to close the Chrome and open it up again and try this as well guys. Go to Chrome, click on three dot icon and go to more tools and clear browsing data. Click on it, clear it. You want to select last hours, not you want to delete all time and clear data, and that's it guys. And close and reopen the Chrome, and if you get solved, not problem. If you not get solved this problem, I recommend to do, if you are using VPN, you want to disable it guys. Go to search menu and type VPN setting, open it. You want to disable this, two of these, and close out of here. And if you reopen the Chrome guys, if check for problem resolved. If you still having the issue, reset and clean up the Chrome guys. I'm gonna tell you, go to settings and go to reset settings, restore settings to their original defaults, reset settings. Want to uncheck the box, help makes Chrome better for reporting the current setting. That's it guys. Close and relaunch the Chrome, and if you are not get resolved, uninstall the Chrome and reinstall it guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thank you for watching my video.